Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin our process of replacing the hard drive in the HP EliteBook Dragonfly, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a plastic spudger. These tools will help you safely open your laptop without causing any damage. Start by powering down the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the screws located at the bottom of the device. There are typically 8 screws to remove. Keep them in a safe place for later use. Once you've removed the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, being careful not to damage the internal components. With the back cover off, locate the hard drive. It's usually held in place by additional screws. Use your Phillips No. 0 screwdriver to remove these screws. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that you've removed all screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the hard drive from its connector, taking care to avoid any other components in the vicinity. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the area around the hard drive. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the laptop. This helps maintain optimal performance and can prevent overheating in the future. Now, take your new hard drive and align it with the connector in the laptop. Push it gently but firmly into place. Once it's seated correctly, secure it with the screws you previously removed. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our pickup and delivery service at your home ensures you don't have to worry about transportation, no calls, no travel. After securing the hard drive, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear a click. Replace all screws to ensure the cover is securely fastened. It's crucial to make sure everything is tight to prevent any internal movement while the laptop is in use. Now that the back cover is replaced, it's time to power on the laptop. Make sure to enter the BIOS settings upon starting up to configure the new hard drive if necessary. This step is crucial for the system to recognize the new drive. Ensure that the new drive is set as the primary boot device if required. Finally, if you want to avoid any hassle, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. Once everything is set up, you can install your operating system and restore your files from your backup. And there you have it, your HP EliteBook Dragonfly is now equipped with a new hard drive, ready to perform like new. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.